Happy Vlogmas day 9. I didn't get to vlog anything this morning. I was just in like a huge hurry and needed to get out of the house quickly, and then my brother used my car today, so he drove me to work and picked me up from work, so I didn't like put the camera on in the car just because I don't know, I just didn't. But I'm home now. So happy it's Friday. I woke up with a sore throat this morning though, so my throat hurts and like I feel like I'm getting a little congested. I hope it's just like nothing, and it passes. So now I'm trying to decide what to do for the afternoon. It's 4:09, so it's still pretty early. It just stinks that it gets dark like soon. But I was thinking of maybe going downtown. I'm pretty sure everything at Loft is like on sale. So maybe I'll go try and get my mom some stuff for Christmas because she loves that store. And everything at J. Crew is on sale too. So maybe I'll just shop around a little bit. Or maybe I'll just look for ideas for people. But yeah, it's freezing out today, you guys. And I haven't been able to get warm all day. But I'm wearing this cozy sweater, which I think is out of stock, but there's one really similar that is in, or not in stock. It's back ordered, but it looks so cozy. So, and you can also like wear this part like higher, but I choose not to. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna have like a little snack, then go out and do those few things. I might get something for my throat, like tea or something, hot tea, or I might make some more hot chocolate later. Who knows? Or maybe I'll make it right now. It's just one of those freezing days where you need something warm to warm you up. So that's what I'm going to do. And I have no major plans this weekend. So I'm just going to... Oh, I have an interview Monday. So I probably should prep for that all weekend. And catch up on blog posts because I only got like 3 up this week. My next post that I plan on putting up is my wish list, my Christmas wish list. I love seeing other people's wish lists, so I figured it would be fun to share my own, and that way anyone who wants to shop for me, like family members, wink wink, mom, wink, can use my gift guide or my wish list for help. So yeah, that's my plan. I will catch up with you guys later. My life right now. Bye. Oh no, she's staying. Alicia? Is he gonna go? Is he gonna go attack? No, he's done. Is that blood? Who's bleeding? Alright guys, change of plans. I'm not going anywhere. I've got my cozy socks on. They look funny with jeans on, but they're so warm and so cozy. And it's just too cold out to do anything right now. So I decided to make the hot chocolate. So I'm just gonna show you again because this time I'm gonna make the salted caramel one. I'm excited to try it. I mean, it's pretty much, I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did last time. I don't know if that pot is clean. So let me get one of these. I'll just get this small one. And hopefully this time, that doesn't look clean either. Weird. Hopefully this time I can find a real teaspoon measurer. Alright, so first step, milk. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So we need a cup. Okay. going to pour that into the bowl or the pot. Gonna put the pot on low. Oh, I literally always do that. Turn on the wrong one. There we go. Put it on low. Let that warm up. Put the milk away. I also got my Birchbox today, so I figured I would open that for you guys in a little bit so you can see what came in this month's box. And today, instead of using the little marshmallow toppers, those, I'm gonna use these, the sticks. So I'm really excited. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so I found a regular tablespoon thing and the milk is pretty warm. So let's put the chocolate in. Focus. 1, 2, 3. Need to lower the heat now. It's burning. 4, 5. Now I'm going to get the small little whisk again and stir, stir, stir. Oh, yum. Let me put it on a little warmer so it can warm up before I... So my reindeer mug isn't clean yet, so I'm just gonna use this mug. I got it from Target a while ago. Getting a phone call, but who is it? My mom. Hold on. Hello? Alright guys, so Max got some blood on my comforter. He's been having issues. I won't go into details. Anyways, now I'm gonna just throw it in the wash so it gets clean, obviously. Alright, hopefully you can see me, but I'm going to just open my Birchbox. This is the box, the outer box this year, or this month. And it's easy now, you just like do that. Oh, you have to do it all around, I guess. Side 2. Okay. Alright. Ooh, this is so pretty. This box I would keep. Look how pretty. And that's like a present on the back. Oh, I love it. So cute. Put it closer. Hi, Max. Alright, let's see what's inside. Here's the little card, like describing everything. Shine on. Hosting get-togethers, dressing up for shindigs, and searching for a million gifts this month, we are here to help you master the holidays and shine your very brightest all December long. This box is filled with brilliant, festive products, plus treats for on-the-go touch-ups and easy gifting. Cute. Oh, these are really cute for gifts, little tags. Really cute. Alright, so the first thing is Evolve Super Finish Polishing Balm, Evolve H. So it's all the moisturizing, shine boosting benefits you love about a hair oil in the form of a lightweight balm. Apply it to damp hair or use it to tame flyaways after styling. So the full size is $32. Let's see. I can't really smell it, but I'm sure it smells good. Next, this is the Nukes Moisturizer Creme Fraiche de Beauté. The best-selling moisturizer and Parisian favorite is made of aloe vera and plant milks that help your skin maintain optimum hydration levels so it feels soft and refreshed. The full size of this is $34. So, I don't know, is this for your face? Probably. This kind of, it has a smell, but like I can't really figure out what it is. Next, oh, Benefit Roller Lash. Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. The patent pending brush is made with tiny soft hooks which instantly catch, curl, and separate each lash. Wiggle the wand from base to tip and then curl up for extra lift. Full size of this is $24. I've used this, love it, really good stuff. It's a great mascara. I like to use that combined with my Better Than Sex. So this is, what is this? Shine On. This might just be like a little gift. I'll open that in a minute. This is IPKN Flash Cream Radiant Primer. Rich in fruit extracts, this nourishing SPF 15 primer creates a smooth, luminous canvas for makeup with the help of shimmer pearl powder. And the full size of this is $28. Oh. I don't know why I thought that would have a smell. Alright, and this last thing in here, this is the Leader's 7 Wonders Himalayan Camellia Pore Minimizing Mask. The full size is $5.99. Containing nourishing camellia oil, this mask restores skin by reducing fine lines and the appearance of pores. Leave on for 20 minutes and pat remaining essence into your skin. So this is probably a really good mask. Alright, now let me open this last thing to see what it could possibly be. Oh, it looks like something cute. Oh, it's a little mirror, I think. That's cute. So the back of the mirror is like that, really pretty, and then it's just like a little mirror. Cute. That's a nice little gift. The packaging is even cute. So yeah, that's everything from this month's Birchbox. I really hope you guys could see me. I'm not sure, but yeah. So now Max is just chilling like a villain. Hopefully he's not getting any blood on the rest of my bed. Okay.
Don't scare him. All you gotta do is look at him.
Don't be rude. Alright, making favorite rice. This one's my favorite.
More scared than him, right? Oh,
she's fat. Fat? She's getting fat. We have to stop with the treats.
I don't think it's just the treats.
Okay, so we gotta make a better schedule.
That's all I'm putting on is just asparagus
and I have rice. They're from Nordstrom, but they're too big. I don't know if I can wash them though.
They're going to tell you the instructions?
I'll have to look.
This one of these plates has to wear
What?
I'd rather it goes in the dishwasher.
Oh, so what about Sunday then? Ew, I don't want to see a gross face. Where's the lid? Oh. Well, that's cooking. I'm gonna make a hot cup of warm hot lemon water.
Beauty college, 25 hours.
Oh, did I tell you that on my credit report it says I Beauty college?
Yeah.
This mug is from last year, Starbucks. And let's see if there's any cut lemon. It's hard to do things with one hand. I'm not. I've been good.
What are we going to do about Grandma's birthday? I mean,
I suggested the nails.
That win, there's some bite to it. Good, yeah.
do you want to cook it inside then?
Dad, while that's cooking, I'm gonna make a hot cup of warm hot lemon water.